Where are you running from?
Yeah, I think I'll get a drink.
Go get him. Hurry up. Hurry, Caleb, hurry. Hurry.
Go ahead and get a drink. No, seriously, go ahead.
You called timeout, didn't you?
Did you call timeout?
Oh! What happened, Caleb?
Go ahead, get a drink.
That water's hot, ain't it?
Was that hot water, kid?
No.
Put it in your mouth, not up your nose.
I wasn't.